Hey BMW world, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've already subscribed. So anyways, today we'll be looking at how to replace the seatbelt extender arms in your BMW Coupe. We'll be extending both because, as you can see, neither of them seems to be picking up the seatbelt. So to start, let's unbox this pair that I ordered off eBay and take a look at what we've got. As we open this, I'll leave the link in the description for the video below. So let's see what we have here. This should be the left. Yeah, that's the left. Let's also quickly look at the right side. There you have it, and usually they have the label on the silver part of the, you see it just there on that silver part. They usually have that's the right side. Looks in good shape as well, and this just seems to show the country of origin and the part number, which are also important really, so you shouldn't miss them out. Okay, so let's now go to the step of uninstalling the arm. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos or tutorials advising you to use the lock to help you uninstall the extender arm. Didn't quite work for me, and this is what happened. As I was still fidgeting to remove the arm, there you have it, the extender retracted. So I had to go into the fuse box and uninstall the seatbelt fuse to totally disable the seatbelt extender arm. So once you're inside there, it's usually in the glove box on the passenger side. You'll see that this is a guide for the fuses and the number of amps that they usually have, and then you will also see the position of the fuse that you want to uninstall. In this case, we want to uninstall fuse 25, fuse number 25, and that's for the seatbelt. I'm sure you can see that just beside the start and stop button fuses. And well, once you identify that, it's somewhere up there. If you follow the guide correctly, you see it somewhere up there. Place the clip on the fuse. That's the best way to do it. Place the clip on the fuse and then turn the car on to make sure that the seatbelt extender is out, just like so. So once it's out, went ahead and pulled out the fuse to make sure that it was totally disabled. So put the fuse aside like we've done, then we can go and start the process of uninstalling. So I've done the same thing for both sides. I've just put the video together to make sure that it's effective. Now when you're uninstalling, you'll see if the arm was still in good shape like this one is, you'll see that there's a stopper there which will stop the arm from going out of the whole unit. So what you do, just get rid of that stopper. I'll use just use a sharp object and slowly rub the stopper away. It's plastic, I think, so you should be able to get rid of it. So carefully rub it without breaking anything. Up and down like that. And once you're done, you can try pulling out. When most of it is cleared, I'll use two hands here. So I'll just put the camera down for a second and it's out. There you have it. So now that we have gotten rid of the old arm, time to install the new arm. Left and right, we'll do that shortly. So we install the new seatbelt arm in left and right respectively, and there you have it. Boom, boom. So they look in good shape, and I think now we can reinstall our fuse and go ahead and test them. But as you'll notice, you can't do this all at once. Just go one by one. So just make sure you install the fuse in the right position to avoid because if you do it wrong, the car can actually catch fire, according to the BMW website. So make sure you reinstall the fuse in the right position, and then place the clip back in its position like we've done there. Go ahead and close this access to the fuses. I'm using one arm here, that's why I seem to be fidgeting, but it should be easy. So once we're done with that, we can now go ahead and see how well the extender arms are working. Okay, so close that, close the other side, close the fuse box, and then we can go start the car and check out how okay. So this is the left, close that, and as you can see, works just fine. That's the other part. Okay, so thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Andrew saying cheers and bye.